First of all, we'll like to welcome you all for celebrating India's Independence Day. We are thankful to Mayor and Township Administration for giving us this opportunity to hoist Indian national flag. The way the ceremony will go, we'll have the flag hoisting, and then Mayor will say a few words, and we'll wrap up the program.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की वंदे 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 तिरंगे झंडे की
Now we'll have our Mayor say a few words, and we'll wrap up the ceremony.
Well, I know every day is sunny in Piscataway. It must be sunny in India too, right? Well, no, it's probably dark. It's like 10-hour difference, right? Yeah. Well, it was earlier today. I want to thank everybody for coming out. I want to acknowledge Councilwoman at Large Sarah Rashid's here and our Council President Dennis Espinoza. Dennis, anybody else from the Council? I know Gabrielle's going to be here in a few minutes. But I want to thank you. It's interesting that India is the largest democracy in the world. The largest. And I mean by that, I'm not talking about land, I'm talking about population. And we are here in a country that is the oldest democracy in the world, the United States. And for those young children here in the room, there's a little history in our town of Piscataway. We celebrated the first 4th of July in Piscataway, New Jersey. General Washington and his Continental Army, who were fighting for independence and freedom of the colonialists here. Something that the folks in India know about with history, happened here in 1778, July 4, 1778. So when you see in the history books, you're going to see that General Washington celebrated the first official 4th of July celebration of the United States happened right here. And I say that because we all have something in common. What do we have? We like freedom, we like independence, right? And we like the pursuit of happiness for the families, for all of us, right? So that's why India and the United States has something very much in common. We have a unique thing together, a bond. And that bond is we want to make sure that these young children are raised in a great environment, that they become productive citizens, and they live a happy life like we adults have lived. So with that, I want to thank the folks here for sponsoring it. The Piscataway Y Community Center. I don't know. Will the folks from the Y please raise your hand back there? And the folks from the Y, give them a round of applause. We have our Administrator, Paula Cosarelli's here. I don't know if anybody from the PD's here. And I know John Turney, our Director of Recreation, is around here someplace. So with that, I'm going to turn the mic back over to you, Parth. And I want to thank you for the... Am I allowed to re-gift these roses? My wife... All right. Calpesh says I can re-gift them. Unfortunately, it can't be to my wife because she's allergic to flowers. So,
We'll have a few words from our senior citizen team, and then Bharat.
I thanks everybody, Mayor, Council members, Gayatri, all support members, and our senior center persons. You know, every month we are celebrating birthday party in our center. That facility is given by Mayor and our Director, Amy Bowman. So we are very much thankful to them. Last year we have donated $1,500 for chair and tables in billiard room. And this year we are going to donate 2 weighing scale machines in washrooms, men's and ladies. Yes, weighing scale machine for weight. Every day,
Trying to tell me something.
every day people has to weigh.
5 miles a day. You're trying to tell me.
Then also you have to weigh. Every day people can weigh and enjoy. Thanks everybody for enjoying. Thanks.
You want to do introducing?
I want to acknowledge our former councilman Kapil Shaw is here also. Yeah. Maybe he deserves the roses. Here you go, Forrest.
बोलिए भारत माता की, भारतीय संस्कृति की वंदे वंदे। हमारा देश स्वतंत्रता दिवस मना रहा है और हमारी देश की संस्कृति, चाहे बच्चे हों, चाहे टेक्नोलॉजी हो, चाहे वहाँ के बुजुर्ग हों, अभी मंगल ग्रह पर और चांद ग्रह पर पहुँच रहे हैं और हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी इस समय दुनिया में आगे बढ़ रही है। हमारे युवा बहुत आगे बढ़ रहे हैं और हम मदर इंडिया बोलते हैं, उसको मातृभूमि बोलते हैं। माँ शब्द में बहुत बड़ा प्यार छुपा हुआ है। हम वसुधैव कुटुंबकम की भावना रखते हैं। सारी दुनिया सुखी हो, सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिना, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, माँ कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्। वो भारत भूमि है, वो ऋषियों की भूमि है, वो हिमालय की भूमि है, सप्त सागरों की भूमि है, जहाँ पर प्यार, दुनिया के अंदर प्यार और मोहब्बत और अमन और चैन आए, शांति की प्रार्थना। आज हम लोग पूरे भारत देश, जहाँ भी भारत देश के हमारे जो रहने वाले, हमारे जितने भी हमारे एम्बेसडर हैं, वो यही संदेश देते हैं कि हम प्रेम से रहें, जिएं और जीने दें। यही दुनिया को संदेश दे रहे हैं शांति का। हम उस देश की वासी हैं जिस देश में गंगा बहती है। हम गंगा को माँ कहते हैं, गाय को माँ कहते हैं, तुलसी को माँ कहते हैं, भारत को माँ कहते हैं, पीपल की पूजा करते हैं, 24 घंटा जो ऑक्सीजन देता है। तो हमारा देश पूरे साइंटिस्टों का देश है। वहाँ पर हमारे ऋषि रिसर्च करते थे और हमारे संस्कृति के उन सूत्रों को आज दुनिया में पहुँचाने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है। हमारे देश के राजनीति तंत्र के और हमारे अमेरिका के, यूएस के, माय ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स, सारे लोग मिल करके हम इस दुनिया में फिर से अमन और शांति का संदेश देते हैं। यही स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर हम लोग कामना करते हैं। भारत माता की वंदे वंदे।
Hello.
Thank you, Honorable Mayor. Thank you for coming and all elected official. Thanks and GCC groups. Also thanks for volunteer every year. Indo-American Senior Association also organize every year and years. Thanks for them, and especially thanks for Recreation Department who help us for raise the flag and sound system and everything. Thank you very much, John and team, and everybody, you guys present here for respect our flag. Thank you very much. Next year, 15 August on Saturday, mark your calendar right now, 2026. Thank you.
The final thanks to Mayor and team and the township and senior citizen group. With this, we will conclude our ceremony. And as Kapil Uncle has said, next year Saturday, 15 August Saturday ko aata hai, we will celebrate in a grand manner. Hopefully, we'll have fireworks and other things after approval from town. So stay tuned. We'll do it in a big way next year. Thank you.